सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांति। See, before we enter into the Kathopanishad, let us understand what is the need for studying Upanishad. What is the importance and need of studying the Upanishad? See, in our scriptures, all human desires have been classified into 4 categories only. So, all the desires are there. Lot of desires are there. Infinite desires are there. But all the desires have been classified into only 4 categories. What are those categories? And those desires are called Purushartha. Purushartha. Purushartha in Hindi means effort. But in Sanskrit, Purushartha doesn't mean effort. Purushartha means Purushahi Arthyate. What is desired by any human being, that is called Purushartha. So what are those 4 Purushartha? So they say one Purushartha is called Artha Purushartha, other is called Kam Purushartha, third is called Dharma Purushartha, and fourth is called Moksha Purushartha. So Artha, Kam, Dharma and Moksha. Okay. So these are the, imagine hundreds of desires just clubbed in 4 desires. There is nothing 5th desire. Among all desires, there is nothing 5th desire. Acha, desire to eat good now, which Purushartha is there? Kam Purushartha. So, Artha Purushartha means what? Desire for security. Kam Purushartha is desire for pleasure. Dharma Purushartha is desire for a good birth later or self-control. And Moksha Purushartha is desire for freedom forever. So whole desires are classified only in these 4 categories. Achha. And what is the problem? No problem. Relax. No problem is there. Don't create problem in life. Some people manufacture problem. No need to manufacture problem. Don't get tense about Purushartha. So, that Purushartha that we are talking of here, we'll take one by one Purushartha and discuss the meaning of that Purushartha. So first Purushartha was Artha Purushartha. Artha Purushartha means desire for security. And because of this Purushartha, a person who was living in a simple hut, he made new houses. So all the development at the level of science much concentrated on Artha Purushartha. So he made new houses, he made new secure houses, secure cars. So medical aid is there. And apart from that, he had relatives also who can give him security. Banks came, because in some other time we can rely on that. So, lot of things a person does, and why he earns money. He has money, but he does not know whether tomorrow he will have or not, and therefore he tries to put effort in savings. Retirement scheme, lot of schemes are there. Retirement scheme is there. Every month you invest something so that at the end of the job you have some money. For the children, LIC is there. So when I pass away, so my children should have some amount for them. They are waiting. So this is called Arth Purusharth. So I want to have lot of securities. Guards came, big companies came, and medicines came, hospitals, medical store are all for securing of our Arth Purusharth. Now, we do a lot to do for Arth Purusharth. But the question which arises after making so much of exercise, I think 100 years back we don't had so much of medical scheme. We didn't have so much of LICs, etc. We didn't have so many banks and so many policies. We didn't have so much of sophisticated medical stores and hospitals. But if you think, today's person is more insecure or 100 years back is more insecure. What my conclusion is that today's person is more insecure than 100 years back person. Where we went wrong, we'll think over it. So right now we have more things, but with too much of Arth Purusharth we have done. We have lot of area of insecurities there. So I'll come back to it. Is it clear? So we don't have that much of security. Rather, I feel those who have more money, sometimes there is more insecurity. Because money is taxable, so they try to find out how to evade taxes first. And second problem is the money which is in the bank. Supposing it is all paid and it is all white money, which I doubt. But even if it is white money means tax has been paid on that money, right? This is called white money. Black money means tax is not paid. That means it is in the cash form or something like that. Supposing it is a white money, you will always have security how to manage that, what to do. And now internet banking is there. Hope so nobody hacks the account. Big stealing is not from the pocket and houses now. It is through the net. That days are gone. In the house you can get few 100,000, but if you can hack somebody's account, there are professional hackers are there. They can go into your computer. They can go into your email and find out. So supposing you have 5-10 million in your bank, which is a white money, I can guarantee you will have insecurity. Hope nobody hacks my account. If somebody has, please confirm later on. So the insecurity does not go even if you have a big house. I think big house there are more chances of intruding from other areas. How much fencing you put, but somebody will be there. You have more relatives, more insecurities there. Who will get upset at what? If less relatives are there, you don't. Somebody's birthday you missed to congratulate, or he called you didn't come. So in life, I don't know why, but a person is not able to get security by all kind of exercises also. And this insecurity starts from the childhood. Child is insecure, my mother may not go away. Later on, he is insecure that I may not fail in the exam. Later on, he is insecure about the job. Later on, he is insecure about the money. Later on, he is insecure about the reputation. If you are a businessman, you will be insecure that my project may not go away. Supposing you are a student, you will be insecure. I hope I don't fail or I don't get bad marks, so that I don't have to queue up and there is no entrance for me. So after all so much of work that we have done, you will find that insecurity does not go away. I hope you will not disagree. Right? Up here also you have come, there is some insecurity. Well, what insecurity is there? You are thinking, I hope I'll understand. If I can't understand, where will I go? I hope Swamiji doesn't scold me. I hope I can make it up. I hope I can get up in the morning. I hope I can make notes. I hope I can cope up. Everywhere this creeps in slowly in some area. If you have, supposing, a nice husband and wife, chances are very less. But supposing you get somebody like that, then you will have insecurity, he or she may not leave me. If you love somebody, insecurity will be there. Hope he is not upset with me. Hope he will not go away from me. So this is the biggest, eldest daughter of Maya, is this insecurity. It creeps from somewhere. So this Artha Purusharth word you should familiar. So what is desired is called Purusharth. What is desired? Purushai arthyate iti Purusha. This Artha Purusharth, ultimately, it is how much effort you put, and our whole effort goes from morning till evening to earn money, to meet the ends, they say. Meet the ends, but I feel the ends are far apart, it cannot be met. So, ends are so far apart, you cannot meet, because something is always short. Now you have money, now you're thinking about the children. I want to send them to England and America to study. I have to get the money for that. The parents are saying, I don't have that much of money. So, all around we are surrounded by lot of insecurities. So Vedanta says, what is Vedanta? We will talk about it. That this aim what you have put of insecurity, you are removing insecurity or you are giving security. Get my point. You are providing security or you are removing sense of insecurity. They say you are not giving security, you are having a sense of insecurity which you are trying to remove. And that sense, the locus of that sense of insecurity is your own body. You want to make body and your relatives secure. You want to make your body and your relatives very secure. Well, is it possible to make the body secure? Let us ask this question. Is it possible to make the body secure? What do you say? To a certain extent, little extent. Body cannot be made secure beyond the limit, because it goes as per the prarabdha is there. So you are trying to make that secure which by nature is insecure. You are trying to make that entity secure. ठीक बोल रहे हैं? Right? Getting my point? By nature which is insecure. Well, I am trying to make my child's career secure. Did you make your career secure for it? Your career itself is so insecure. How can you make your child's career secure? So this Purusharth, that body which is insecure by the nature, and the relatives also which is insecure, everybody's love is insecure. Nobody's love is very permanent. You are trying your best to make it very secure. Vedanta says I think rather than trying to make that secure, better remove the sense of insecurity. So you want freedom from sense of insecurity, actually speaking. Actually speaking, you are trying to get freedom from sense of insecurity. You are not making yourself secure. You are trying to free yourself from sense of insecurity. There's a big difference. So your insecurity lies in your body, in your attachments, and therefore you are putting effort. And how much effort you will put, please get this point, you will never be able to remove the sense of insecurity by getting money, power, position, etc. Napoleon was also insecure, Alexander was also insecure, and right now Trump is also insecure. Right, their ratings go up very fast, up and down. Popularity ratings is there in America. That goes on. I was reading one film star's interview. I will not tell his name. Morning, why to take their name? So he's superstar he is. So the interviewer asked him. He said, "Please tell me, when your film is hit, what is your experience?" Very honest answer that gave. He said, "I am very afraid." I said, "Why? Your next film may not be hit like that." देख रहे हो आप? Very honestly he gave the answer. He said that when my film is hit and when my popularity is very high, I am happy for some days. But moment I start working on the next film, fear creeps in that one had box office hit and so much we earn. This will not be hit, then my popularity or my position or my money that I was taking, it will come down. And it comes down. In a line, 3-4 films of mine are never hit. Then I thought reading that. Therefore I read all these things to get some data. So when I read that, I said, "Dekho, whole world knows them. Huh? And they have so much of money also. They are bigger than life images also there. Still insecurity इनके पास भी है भाई." बड़ा लगता है. Okay, भाई ये तो अजीब सी बात है. You read that. We feel we are very happy, so lucky they are, and so big they are, and so much, everywhere their name is there, every household their name is taken, but you enter in their heart. And after entering their heart, you will see what is there. Maybe they have more insecurity than you and me. We are not in the loss of losing name. Why? Nobody knows us. So, hardly anybody knows. So there is no problem if people don't know, no problem at all. You are walking on the street, nobody knows. What does it matter? Nobody will say, "Hey, wow, he has come, autograph." Nobody will ask for autograph. In our book, ourselves we sign. क्या करे भाई? Nobody asked, so I thought let me sign in our books. All the books and copies we sign, self autographs. But these people, when they are out, then same I have heard they said, well, nowadays people are not asking me for autograph. I'm feeling so bad. So big people, these players are there who hit centuries after centuries. When the batsman goes, when the Virat Kohli goes to the crease, अब तो उसी का नाम भाई आज कर लिया जाएगा. He is the star now. Imagine when he is going, which number he comes? Huh? Number 3. अच्छा. So when he comes on the crease, don't you think he has also insecurity? I may not be able to, because people expect too much. People expect centuries only. If he is out on 25 runs, they will say he didn't play well. Insecurity is there also. And many times they are taken out. And these players are very upset that, I was playing, they took me out of the team. Now the World Cup we are thinking about that. In short, this insecurity will not go by any kind of outer effort. Actually speaking, you are trying to get rid of sense of insecurity. Why? Because you feel I am insecure basically. And you want to remove this notion that I am insecure. Because you have identified with the body. As long as this identification with the body is there, this insecurity will never go. You may become Indra also. When somebody does a lot of yagya yaga, the Indra gets insecure that hope he is not coming to occupy my heaven. Then he will send some damsels etc. to disturb that rishi so that he is not able to complete his tapasya. And वहां भी ये पहुंच गई भाई, ऐसी है चिड़िया. So what you want, you are dialing a wrong number. Why? You want the liberation from sense of insecurity, because you have basically found that I am insecure basically. So basically you have made yourself that I am insecure. And what shall I think? Wait. Basically, why did you think I am insecure? Why did you think like that? Vedanta will put this question. And that I is equal to body, etc. Well, then body, what to do about body? What about living? Because there are two ways now. As I told you, you cannot secure yourself too much. Then what shall I do? Wait. Two ways. Either you know by Vedanta that I am not this body, I am the self, which is not insecure. This is one way. Another way is that leave these body issues to the God beyond the point. Let him take care after that. Because you cannot do too much for it. You cannot secure too much. And therefore, your Purusharth, instead of Artha Purusharth, when a person realizes, I don't think so, I can make this body secure. I am, instead of removing the insecurity through outside world, you are now working to remove sense of insecurity in your inside mind. Then you become a seeker. You are not removing the security by money, you are removing the sense of insecurity. And you think the one who can take care of birds and ants, birds and ants don't have medical scheme, neither they have bank. There is nothing called bird bank. World Bank is there, bird bank or ants bank. Dogs bank. Somebody said dogs have hotel also. I didn't know that. Yesterday I heard this new thing. I heard that dogs also have hotel. Kya ji, chalo bhai. But dog doesn't know I'm going in a 5-star hotel. So when a person he cannot secure himself, he is convinced. So what shall I do? I leave my security issues to the God, beyond the point. Because it consumes my day and night. It consumes my life. Why you are earning money? Security. Then a person becomes a seeker. This is number one point. How much effort shall I put? Nahi hoga. You cannot secure it. Therefore, saints go out, leaving everything, no bank balance, no parents, no relatives. They go to a place where nobody knows also. They live under a tree also, if required, in the hut also. They are insecure. You will say saints are insecure than a rich person. Our Taponji Maharaj, who was the Gurudev of our Guru, he used to wander in the Himalayas. Do you think any kind of big system was securing him? You know, there was a great person in India, his name was Shivaji. Bombay airport is named as Chhatrapati Shivaji Airport. If you have gone. He has a guru called Samarth Guru Ramdas. So, because he was a king, Chhatrapati Shivaji, so he thought he used to distribute food to everybody. All the people. Then, one day it so happened that he had a pride that I am the one who is securing everybody. So an ant was there. Ant. An ant has one rice grain in his mouth. So his Guru Samarth Guru Ramdas asked him, Shiva, did you give him the rice? This ant. Then he got a shock. When a person realizes that I cannot secure myself and there is no point in putting lot of effort in this direction. All of you have money. But I'm sure you all must be thinking, I have less money. Nobody is saying anything. I'm sure. Of course, our brahmacharis don't have anything. They have no bank account also. Neither I have any bank account. I have no bank balance. Only I strive to get balance in life. But everybody must be thinking that my money is not too much. And that what you feel I lack, you are putting forward to furnish that. And that lacuna will never be filled till the last day of your life. And this is called, which Purusharth? Arth Purusharth. Is it okay? What understand? Beyond the point you cannot. Then what shall I do? Two things. First thing, the matter of your body relatives, beyond the point, give it to God. Second thing, remove the sense of insecurity. Freedom from sense of insecurity. When you seek, you become the seeker of liberation. This is the Arth Purusharth. I don't have the sense of insecurity now. Why? Issues have been given. And as long as you are identified, please note, body will be insecure. Whether your or your relative's body. It will never be secure. So those whose parents are old, they will be insecure. ठीक है? Those whose parents are old, they will be insecure or secure? Huh? Insecure. Right? I'm telling you how this can. Because every time some problem is there. Somewhere headache, somewhere backache, somewhere stomach ache, somewhere fallen down in the bathroom. Well, yes, and then they call, listen, I'm not well, come. There is nobody to give me tea also. At least take care of me. बच्चों को नहीं, this is there. This is the Arth Purusharth. Second comes Kam Purusharth. So, when a person feels this is not my goal of my life, to secure myself, it should not be the goal of life. Why? Because it is unattainable goal. It is an illusion we can make ourselves secure. We cannot make ourselves secure by any way. I think same effort I should put somewhere else. There is no point in putting what is called flogging the dead horse. You cannot make yourself body secure. You are trying to change the nature of coal as white. You are trying to make the coal white. The nature of the world, the nature of the relatives, the nature of the body is to remain insecure. So what shall I do to remove security? Shall I say it? Yes, please say. You will believe it. Of course, therefore I am sitting. Where you have attachment, there is more security or more insecurity. Regarding me, you don't have any insecurity. What will happen to Swamiji in future? What is the future of Swamiji? You have no problem. Nobody is saying. You are not thinking what will happen to Swamiji in future. Where will he be? What will he do? But if you have children, you are not secure about your child. Because you have no attachment with me. And with the child you have attachment. Therefore you are thinking now what will happen to my child. When you discover, oh, my insecurity lies in my attachments. My insecurity lies in my ahankar. Ahankari person is more insecure or humble person is more insecure? Ahankari person, whenever he goes, he feels, I hope people are not looking me down. I hope I am still bigger in his eyes. I hope I am not neglected. When you address the locus of insecurity in your mind, then you become a seeker. So person feels there is no point in unnecessarily pursuing Arth Purusharth, which is time consumer and exhausting and giving no good results.